Hello and welcome to this video on uncovering the tech behind the language revolution. I'm your host, chatgpt, a large language model trained by OpenAI. In this video, we'll be exploring the technology behind the language revolution and how it has changed the way we communicate and interact with machines. Language is an essential tool for communication, and it has been the foundation of human civilization. Over the years, humans have developed different ways of communicating, from sign languages to writing systems. With the advent of technology, the way we communicate has evolved significantly. Today, we communicate using a variety of digital tools, such as social media, email, instant messaging, and voice assistants. These tools have revolutionized the way we interact with each other and with machines. One of the most significant technological advancements in recent years has been the development of natural language processing, NLP, and machine learning, ML, algorithms. These technologies enable machines to understand human language and respond to it in a meaningful way. NLP is a subfield of computer science that focuses on enabling computers to understand and interpret human language. This involves analyzing text or speech data and using machine learning algorithms to extract meaning from it. One of the most widely used applications of NLP is in the development of chatbots. Chatbots are computer programs designed to simulate human conversation. They use natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to understand and respond to user input. Chatbots have become increasingly popular in recent years, especially in customer service and support. They provide an efficient and cost-effective way for businesses to communicate with customers and provide 24/7 support. Another area where NLP and ML algorithms are making a significant impact is in the field of translation. Machine translation technology has come a long way in recent years, thanks to advances in deep learning algorithms. Machine translation technology is used to automatically translate text from one language to another. While machine translation is not perfect, it has come a long way in recent years, and it is now possible to get accurate translations of simple sentences and phrases. One of the most exciting developments in NLP and ML is the emergence of Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, GPT-3. GPT-3 is an AI language model that has the ability to generate human-like text. GPT-3 is a breakthrough in the field of AI language modeling. It has the ability to understand. What other areas do you think natural language processing and machine learning will have a significant impact on in the future? Please leave your answer in the comment box below. Thank you for watching this video on uncovering the tech behind the language revolution. We hope you found it informative and interesting. Don't forget to leave your thoughts and comments below, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know. Until next time, goodbye.